Hello friends, welcome to MechatHeart. In this tutorial, let us learn the difference between trim and break. Here under sketch I have trim, shortcut is T. Let us first consider trim. Later we will go for break. Now here I have taken a circle and I have intersected it with a rectangle. The trim tool treats the intersected parts as separate entities, and on clicking the cursor I can delete these entities. Now let us go to break tool. What the break tool does is, let me first click escape and let us not take the break tool. Here you can see the complete circle is now treated as one entity. But with the break tool, what I can do is I can split that. That is, I can split it as a small arc at the intersection point. Now if I click on the small portion of circle, it is separated from the other complete circle, but it is not deleted. I have to click delete for deleting it. That is, break tool only splits it as a separate entity, but trim tool deletes it. See here, it is only splitting it as a different entity at the intersection points. After finding out the difference between the trim and the break tools, I have been wondering where break tool can be used. So here I have found a small application of the break tool. I have a flower pot, so it is actually made using a simple revolve option, revolving this spline about an axis. So the complete flower pot is considered as one face. So but here I am using the break tool to split the faces of this flower vase. So I am taking construction lines. Using the construction lines, I will try to break it. If you see, if I take the trim tool, I'm going to delete this spline, but instead of that I'm going for break tool, so that I'm only breaking it and not deleting it. You can see how I have broken it into three faces. Now I'm going to stop sketch, and here you can see I have three faces. So now I can go to appearance by clicking A, and I can apply color to this. So I'm still in the bodies and components mode. I'm selecting faces, so I can give three different colors to these three different faces. So this is the application that I have found out for the break tool. If you have found out any other application, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you.